Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the weekly chart of Immuron Limited. Now this is the ADR that has been listed in Nasdaq Stock Exchange, because there is another one which I will find with the same name called Immuron Limited, but I'm talking about the ADR one. Now what you can see here is suddenly the stock has started taking support. Okay, so here we can see the stock has indeed started taking support over here, and the levels which may work as a support, or I would say the stop loss, will be in between 3.39 and 3.22, or 3.2 and 3.39 will be your immediate support level, and the stop loss which we may look at will be 2.48. So either way you can choose any of this depending upon the kind of risk appetite you do have. Now what we can see in this particular price action over the past 4 or 5 years, that the stock can move very sharp, but the stability is a factor. You can see very sharp, quick, or I would say volatile moves, but whether it is sustaining or not, it's a big question, right? So it is clearly visible on the charts. Now as you can see here, because the stock has started moving, we also need some confirmation, because we may go for a big one, but there are certain levels which are very important and which we may recognize, and if the stock started sustaining above that, it will give us confidence. So with that, you have your immediate target, or the primary target that we are looking at will be, or I would say, in between 4.71 and 5.23 or $5.3. So this is the first range that we are looking at for the timing or the primary targets. Beyond 5.3, you will have your next target, and it will push the price towards 6.63, right? 6.63 is going to be your next target. Beyond 6.63, what we have here is here we are 8.18. so this is how we are going to approach this trend, because although you can see that there are very big swings, but you need to understand and at least have a safe passage. If if the same thing happens again, let me just finish with all the levels, then I will explain the rest. Otherwise I don't want to confuse anyone. So after 8.18 you have 9.5. Beyond 9.5 you have 12.61. Beyond 12.61 you have $17, and beyond $17 we have two more levels to look at, and those are these levels. So beyond $17 we have 21, and we have the big target of $29. Now what I was saying here is, as you can see this highlighted section, okay, there is a big swing that has started from $1, and the stock shoots up to $29, and this has happened within a week, right? But the price sustainability is a big factor. So all these small levels will help you in such a way. Let's say if you are going with a quick rise and the stock hits $21, then again $29, you may restrict your losses by putting a stop loss at $21, and if the stock started falling below that, it will, a direct sell off will happen, and at least you may lose $7 or $8 from the top, but you can save the rest. So that's how these levels will help you. Now this is not only for saving purpose, but These are all individual targets or levels on intermediate, short term or intermediate perspective, and you may look for or to identify the long term trend as well. So these are for both. Now this is what we can see as far as this trend is concerned, but as I told you, there is a possibility of quick bounce back or quick jump in the stock price, movement in the stock price, but the bigger challenge is the sustainability. As we have seen in the past that the price can move very fast, but whether it will sustain or not, it is a big question. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.